So what if patches are offered instead of a replacement cover? That's a fair question. Look, the warranty department has very extensive product knowledge. They're going to look at your warranty claim and decide what the best approach is to fix your cover to keep it doing what you bought it to do, right? So if they determine that the best fix right now for your cover is this patch, and they're 12 by 12 patches, easy to apply, you can cut them up, whatever shape you need, apply it on the affected area. If the warranty team decides that's the best fix for now, that's what you got. Use it, but it doesn't hurt your existing warranty, all right? It still applies. So if your cover gets to the point where it's starting to deteriorate or you have some concerns, then contact the team about your warranty issues. But in the meantime, this will take care of you and you'll be happy.